Men hon sa, please hold. Please hold.
Skicka in massa, skicka in fler.
Så ringer.
Thank you for calling Speedpass. This is Sergio. How can I help you today?
Do you sell seatbelts
Yeah, this is Sergio with Speedpass.
to Volvo?
I'm sorry, sir?
Do you sell seatbelts to Volvo?
Yes, this Speedpass for X-Mobile, yes, sir.
Yeah, Volvo 145. Do you have seatbelts to it?
I'm sorry, sir?
Do you have seatbelts to Volvo 145?
For Mobile 145?
Yeah.
I'm not understanding. What do you mean, sir? I apologize.
Do you have seatbelts to that?
We are Speedpass.
You're not selling seatbelts.
I'm sorry, sir?
What company are you from?
We're X-Mobile Speedpass, sir. Yes, sir.
So what are you selling?
We don't sell anything, sir.
Do you have a
I'm sorry, sir? Are you trying to register for the X-Mobile Speedpass?
Yeah.
Okay, go to provide me the card number so I can go to the...
You have a dildo in your ass.
I'm sorry, sir?
You have...